Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
I've got a bit of a headache and a fever. Can you bring the medicine box from the living room to the bedroom for me?
Medicine box on the way. Hang in there.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
I'm in the bathroom now. Please put the medicine box back and bring me the remote control next to the medicine box in the living room.
The medicine box is back. Remote is on the way.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
I'm in the living room and feeling a bit hungry. Can you bring me the breakfast from the kitchen?
Breakfast is on the way.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
I'm in the bathroom. Can you bring over the bath supplies from the bedroom?
On my way with the bath supplies.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
Sort the red, green, and blue blocks into the matching boxes. Then return to the starting point.
Sorting in style.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
Spin clockwise on the spot. Move forward for 2 seconds. Back up for 1 second. Move left for 2 seconds, then right for 2 seconds, and finally do a drift in place.
Twirl, zoom, and vroom.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
Track the purple ball.
Ballooning into action.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
Track the upright carrot.
Detected and tracking the carrot.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
Track the Jeep.
Jeep detected and ready to track.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
Follow the black line forward and stop when you detect an obstacle.
Onward to the end.
Hello, High Wonder.
I'm here.
Describe what you see around you.
This image depicts a miniature diorama or model setup. Here's what I see. 1. Buildings and structures. A small house with a thatched roof and a wooden deck. There's a deer standing on the deck. A windmill-like structure to the left of the house. 2. Animals. A tiger is walking on the ground near the house. An elephant is positioned on the right side of the image. 3. Vegetation. There are several small trees and bushes scattered around the scene. 4. Signage. A white sign with the word High Wonder is placed in the center of the scene. Number 5. Background. The background consists of a large dark-colored wall with a grid-like pattern. The floor is divided into different sections, including a green area where the animals are, and a blue area with white lines resembling a road. The overall setup appears to be a controlled environment, possibly for testing or demonstration purposes.